Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make custard yogurt. Start by gathering your essential ingredients for delicious custard yogurt. You'll need about 2 cups of whole milk, 1/2 cup of plain yogurt with live cultures, and 1 large egg yolk. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that creamy custard base. In a bowl, whisk together the egg yolk, sugar, and cornstarch until smooth. Gently heat 2 cups of whole milk in a saucepan until it's just simmering, not boiling. Slowly pour about 1/2 cup of the hot milk into your egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper it. Then, return everything to the saucepan and cook over medium-low heat, stirring continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes, until it thickens nicely. Once your custard base is beautifully thick, let it cool down to around 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is crucial for the live cultures in your yogurt. Now, gently fold in the 1/2 cup of plain yogurt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. Pour this delightful mixture into clean jars or a suitable container. Then, refrigerate it for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight, to allow it to set and develop its full flavor. Congratulations! Your homemade custard yogurt is now perfectly set and ready to be savored. You can enjoy it plain, appreciating its rich, creamy texture and subtle sweetness. For an extra treat, consider adding your favorite toppings. Fresh berries, a sprinkle of crunchy granola, or a drizzle of golden honey are all wonderful options. Store any remaining yogurt in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ensuring you can enjoy this delightful treat throughout the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.